Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
I-keep secret lang natin yung gender, lalagay natin sa sa sobre, ha? Para kung mag-gender reveal ka, bigay mo kung sino yung mag-gender reveal sa'yo. You have to guess. Bay, okay na akduwa, ha? Okay na akduwa, bay.
Last time pala, Doc, nagtanong po ako sa secretariat kung pwede ba akong mag-travel kaso na-cancel kasi kaya hindi ako nagpa-schedule. Then, bukas po yung schedule ko kung pwede ba kaya ako
Mag-travel ka tomorrow?
Opo,
Where?
sa Sugod lang po.
Pwede lang.
Okay po.
3 hours lang naman papunta doon. Hindi naman ikaw yung magta-drive, di ba?
Hindi po.